now we're gonna have one part of one presentation of a science art contest. Okay, so our students receive on their labs, on their homes, a small device, a microscope, in order to go take their own pictures, their microscopic image. So we're going to have today beautiful image from our students, and everyone is going to vote. You guys are, all of you, you can vote privately for the image that you are, that you like most. First of all, I would like to, so most of the images are from the students of Bio 210 of this fall semester, Bio 210. And I would like that you guys introduce those images. This is the first image that we have from Amadou Maiga. Amadou, are you there? Yeah, so yes, please introduce your, yes.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. This is a picture of my knee skin. I used the microscope that the professor provided us with. So the magnification was at about 500. So I took the picture using the microscope, and I edited it for the colors to be, for the details to be more visible. I edited the color just a little bit. So we can see all the details in the picture.
This is the picture, the image number one. Okay, that's going to be number one image. In case you want to vote for that, just take note of that. Okay, and then you have another picture.
Yes, so this is for my abdomen, my stomach. So this is the skin of my abdomen, and it's the same process, 500 magnification. I edited it a little bit so you can see the patterns as they are different in all body parts. So yes. And this is my arm. Yes, so it's the same process. Arm skin, 500 magnification, and I edited the color just a little bit.
Beautiful. This is amazing.
So this is a leaf. Excuse me?
How did you do this image?
I just took a picture of a Baylor leaf. I just put on the table and took a picture and then edited the colors so all the patterns can be more visible. And that was at 600 magnification. So I just took it in the kitchen and took
if you have the microscope there, can you show it to the audience?
Sure, give 1 second.
And we're gonna continue with the, this is number 4, presentation of the image. Image number 4 is this leaf, this beautiful leaf from Amadou. So Amadou, this is image number 4. Number 3 from the arm skin, okay. Number 2 is a slightly different, the pattern. It's skin as well. And this is again skin. Hello, Amadou.
So,
thank you very much for showing us the way you the microscope.
Yeah, so this is the microscope that I used.
Beautiful.
And for the leaf, basically, this is what I used.
Nice.
So I just used one of these and took a picture of it.
Nice.
And then I did it. Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, Amadou. This is the number 4. Next picture, and this one, wow, this is amazing.
So this is a lemon peel. I just took a lemon out of the fridge, the same process. Took a picture of it and edited the colors. so it can be more, the details can be more visible.
Beautiful. And that is a lemon.
Yes.
Nice, nice, nice. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So that's number 5. We have 27 or 23 images. And this is?
So this is the t-shirt fabric, like a t-shirt like this that I'm wearing. So I just put the microscope on it and took a picture.
Wow.
And this one I didn't edit the colors. It was a blue t-shirt. So wow. This is the original picture.
That is amazing. So all those images were done by Amadou Maiga.
Yes.
So thank you very much, Amadou, for your participation. Good luck with the contest. We have asked the Encarnacion. I would like that you present those images, please, Ashley. Ask the Encarnacion.
Yes, hi Professor, hi everyone.
Hi.
So this is an image of someone's scalp. So it's like hair. You can see like I used the magnification. I didn't really know how to like work with the microscope, but I knew that the magnification could have been around 100x and then through 400x. As you can see, like the strands of hair are thick and they're like very shiny, and you can also see some flakes, but I don't know if you can. It's very light. So yeah, that's my image number 1.
That is the image number 7 is basically hair, right? Yeah.
Yes.
That's beautiful. Okay, so let's go. Were you intrigued by the fact that they are so thick? It was
and shiny. Yeah. So this image is basically part of the hand. It's in the index finger, so it's between the bone. It's between the knuckle and the bone that bends, like on the finger, and you can see the pores and some strands of hair on the knuckle as well. And how the skin ring, like the skin lines, like when you look at it from your eyes, like you see lines, but like when you see it through the microscope, you see it very closely. And how deep the lines are.
Beautiful. That's image number 8 from us. And now here the special part.
So this is a tattoo. It's mine. So you see hair on it because I can't shave it. I just recently got it. You can see some of, I can say that the magnification is 100 through 200. Also the skin, you can see the creases as well. And there's some faded spots in the tattoo, but the light is kind of like blocking it, but you can see it more towards to the, I guess, the right or the left, because there's some missing spots. But yeah, that's a tattoo.
Great. Okay, so now we're gonna go with Xaenora Ramcharran. Xaenora, would you like to introduce your image? Probably Xaenora doesn't have a problem with the mic. So I will introduce, this is a fungus on lemon, okay? This is fungus on lemon. We can see this layer on top. This is a low power magnification. That's definitely low power magnification. Then we have another one from onion. This is something that in the onion is some of the image that we could see in the microscopes and in our virtual labs. So she was smart when she did an observation on the onion, right? She took these beautiful pictures of onions. And here Looks like a leaf. She didn't provide a title. So I'm assuming it's another more greenish part of this red onion. Then we have Patrick and Stefan. Patrick image. Patrick is introducing here. This is Patrick image, Patrick and Stefan. Number 13 is the veins of, you can see here the veins of the leaf, what they call the veins of the leaf. And then we're gonna see here the following image that we have, the skin of the lemon, okay? The skin of the lemon with a magnification. And this is the skin of a human, they call it. I asked the students to provide a title. So basically, it can be more specific or less specific. It can be more poetic, we can say. So this is an artistic contest. So this is, for example, Maria Fernanda Armijos. She's an alumni, a former student from the previous semester on Bio 210, and she just graduated. But she contributed with this beautiful image in which we can see a modification of HeLa cells. HeLa cells, well, I don't know if you know about these cells. These are Henrietta Lacks cells. Those are the first cells that they were isolated and cultured from humans and cultured in a petri dish, in a laboratory, okay? So the description of this image is, while reading the immortal life of Henrietta Lacks, I was fascinated with HeLa cells and did a lot of research on them. HeLa cells helped discover a whole different side of science, which includes how to cure cancer. The immortal cells contained multiple copies of HPV-18, a strain that causes cervical cancer that kills due to the reproduction of certain proteins. Later on, a vaccine was developed with the help of HeLa cells that reduced the chances of individuals getting the virus. Therefore, this image includes a cervical cancer ribbon in the middle of HeLa cells because they helped to save lives. Maria Fernanda, I don't think that Maria Fernanda is here with us in the audience. If you're here, please raise your hand. Or it's a beautiful image. The number 17, okay? And now we're going to have Sukhmani. Sukhmani?
Yes, Professor.
Please, can you, okay, Sukhmani, can you show?
Okay.
Yes.
So this first,
Do you mind to have
the first image is, sorry, should I say?
Camera on? Can you have the camera on?
I can't have the camera on, I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
This first picture is of bamboo leaf, and it's basically a green, healthy bamboo leaf. It was magnified for, I think it was about 500x. And the color is, this is the original color, how, you know, this is how I zoomed in, and this is basically the original color, which has not been changed. And yeah, next. So the part of the leaf was dry and the part of leaf was healthy and green. So the previous one you saw was the bamboo leaf, which was healthy and green and, you know, absolutely good. And the other part, this image is basically the leaf was dried and it was dead. And when I basically zoomed in, I saw these cracks and lines, and I thought it was very pretty. And the colors have been, slightly changed so that, these lines and cracks are like visible better to basically enhance, all the details of the image. Okay, so this is the outside of the banana peel. And as you can see, the yellow marks, the indentations, the black marks on the yellow peel. And of course, the color has been changed to a little bit like of sepia grayish, again, to show all these little dots better. So this is the inside of the banana peel. And you can see those little white marks and like greenish yellowish tone, at the extreme like corner at the bottom of the image. So again, this is the original color. This is how it appeared, and we can see like a very little tiny black like thingy in the middle. It was a hair-like thing, and I wasn't sure what it was, and I was actually very surprised to see it. It looked like a hair, but obviously I'm sure it wasn't hair. But the whole thing was white, but there was just one black thing that appeared, in the middle of the inside of the banana peel. And this is the original color.
Nice. Nice.
This is the inner skin of the forearm. And, you can see those little indentations, the lines that appear, which I guess are called wrinkles, or, and again, the color I think has been changed for for these lines to appear so that they're enhanced better.
Great.
Yeah.
This one, this is this is Sadia Zaman. I think this is, I don't know, for any reason got larger. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. Sadia, would you like to present that image? Are you there? I don't know, Sadia is not in Bio 210, she's in Bio 220 right now. So I don't know if she's in. I'm going to show you first the first image, which is an onion cell microscopic slide experiment, okay? The epidermal cells of onions provide a protective layer against viruses and fungi that may harm the sensitive tissue because of their simple structure and transparency. They are often used to introduce students in this class in the anatomy and physiology class, or to demonstrate plasmolysis. This is an experiment that we did in the lab. But let me see if Sadia can join. She's asking me for the number. So she can introduce herself so that this take a look at her image. We have the last image here, which is image from Sadia as well. And I ask for everyone to show, you can show, let me see if I can share the screen again. And Sadia is going to introduce, she's just into this meeting. Hello, Sadia, how are you? Glad to see you here. Hi, Sadia.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, nice to see you here.
Yes, you too.
So I just introduced this onion cell, and this is using a lower power objective, right? This I introduce you. You can introduce the image. I just read the the sentence. This is something that this is an image that you took in previous lab, right?
Yes, yes. So this is actually a picture that I took in the previous lab that I had with you. So now I'll be telling you guys a little about it. So this is basically an onion cell, which I took on a microscope. And so the epidermal cells of onions provide a protective layer against viruses and fungi that may harm the sensitive tissues because of the simple structures and transparency that are often used to introduce students to for plant anatomy or to demonstrate plasmolysis. So
yes. So in the past, basically, when we didn't have the opportunity to do this experiment in class, just because of the pandemic, we had to do virtual labs. But we did it online. And as you remember from class, the epidermis from the onion has many layers and they're very thin, so that you can mount it in a slide easily, right? So yeah, so that's beautiful image. And then so this is an artistic contest. So this is the last image that you're presenting.
Yes. So I actually drew this picture. So this is literally a fetus. So as you guys could see the little fetus inside a womb. So this is an image of an amniotic sac, which is a thin walled sac that surrounds the fetus during pregnancy. The sac is filled with liquid made by the fetus, which is the amniotic fluid, and the membrane that covers the fetal side of the placenta. So this protects the fetus from any kind of injury, and it also helps to regulate the temperature of the fetus.
Nice, beautiful, beautiful image. So now it's time for everyone to vote for the most favorite, your favorite image. On the so you just have to vote with giving me the number, okay? The number of the image that you would like to have as your favorite image, okay? I'm gonna have here, I'm gonna share the image, all these image, I'm gonna show them again, okay? So I'm gonna share it so you can decide what is your favorite image, okay?
Okay, select, do we have to select just one?
Select just one, or select just one, each of you, and we're gonna have the winners. Okay, so you guys can decide, and Sadia is preparing. I wanted to say that this is part of the Women in Science Club activities. All right. So I wanted to let you know that we have this club. We can have, let's say, Amadou first prize, second prize also, and the third prize let's Sukhmani to have, and Marilu to have the third prize. All right.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So congratulations to the winners. It was my pleasure. Very good work. And so stop the sharing the screen, Sadia, I think, so we can say bye, all of us. We can get from student activities little prize. So thank you very much for participating. It was wonderful, and I hope you have fun, and see you in class. Okay, see you on Thursday. Okay.